I very strongly feel that whenever you invest in any of the funds, it should be aligned with your goals. And most of the people, learned people on your show I've seen talking about that small or mid cap funds should be aligned with your long-term goals. That's how you should look at it. And if you have done your asset allocation properly, if you have done your risk profiling properly, I think if you are very much in line with and your goals are not nearing soon, then you should not look at what is happening in the market, and you should keep on putting your money through a SIP route, because this is the best time when you can actually add on to more units of these this category of funds. But if you have done some lump sum investment, looking at there is a upward trajectory which is looking at the fund side, and you are a little high on allocation towards small cap as a sector, as a market cap, so then you can actually think of tapering it off and reallocating it to maybe a flexi cap fund, or a focus fund, maybe a flexi cap fund or a multi cap fund where large cap allocation is a little more. That's what one should do in present scenario.
Just to follow up, what is more? How much allocation is more to small and mid cap in this current scenario? Like, what is the limit that they should be having as an investment in small and mid cap?
I always say it should be 50, 30, 20. 50 should be large cap, 30 should be mid cap, and 20 should be small cap. But there is a catch to it that, it doesn't mean that you should have 20% in small cap fund and keep getting your small cap allocation towards the flexi cap, multi cap funds also. So do this exercise on a portfolio level. Let's say you have 5 funds where you have a couple of flexi cap funds, a multi cap fund, a mid cap or small cap fund. Then see on the portfolio level how much you have small cap allocation. So it should be 50, 30, 20 at any given point in time, whether markets are rewarding small cap or mid cap, and your small cap fund allocation should be aligned with your long-term goals, which is in excess of 10 years from now. So somebody who's approaching its goal and have some allocation towards small cap fund, then that person can think of redirecting its allocation toward, because from the peak small cap index is down 22% right now. And if you have a substantial allocation towards small cap set, then you should look at or revisit your strategy and maybe change the gears.